Bitcoin could see a 3% retracement by August 1, based on crypto predictions. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. Today, Bitcoin is down by 3% and trades close to the $62,920.10 mark. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. Crypto Predictions believes the price could edge down to $61,014.39 by August 1, nearly 3% lower than now. Gov. Capital believes Bitcoin may drift towards $62,347.09. That's a decrease of about 0.9%. CoinDataFlow notes the chance of moving higher to $63,393.90, implying a gain of 0.8%. Another analysis by CoinCodex projects Bitcoin might climb towards $64,402.49, an estimated gain near 2.4%. And to wrap up, 30 Rates forecasts a move to $65,591 by tomorrow, a 4.3% increase. It's the most profitable forecast today. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decrease of 3% and an increase of 4.3%, depending on the analyst. To sum it up, 30 Rates offers the highest forecast with 4.3% gain in value by August 1. That makes it possible to bring in between $8 and $43 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinDataFlow has delivered the most reliable forecast with a 69.6% chance of success. With all forecasts compared, I've formed a combined consensus scenario. The consensus projection keeps Bitcoin around $63,349.77 with little movement. Let's take a look at the numbers. The consensus line points to price up roughly 0.7%. From that angle, your capital could also grow by the same 0.7%. On 1,000, this might result in a potential $7 return. The probability of this consensus scenario being realized is around 70.6%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. Crypto Predictions expects the chart to tilt downward. Also, Gov Capital notes bearish momentum building up. A stable outlook is projected by CoinDataFlow, suggesting no major drivers for movement. CoinCodex describes the near-term outlook as bullish. Meanwhile, 30 Rates expects Bitcoin to rise over the next few days. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus indicates Bitcoin is expected to follow an upward path in the near term. Summing up, 60% of projections indicate a tilt to the downside for Bitcoin. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. Ultimately, the market ended the day at $64,780.20. Yesterday showed that most forecasts captured the correct move. If we judge by accuracy, CoinPrice forecast had the strongest forecast. Now let's break it apart. Yesterday's candle aligned with only one forecast. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts ended positive, with the top result at 0.6%. Here's the daily results overview, a quick visual of all forecast accuracy. In the dataset, Traders Union achieved $815.88 accuracy, 62.5% forecast probability, and 0.5% ROI. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? Let's see how tomorrow's forecasted returns compare between Bitcoin and a few other coins. Near takes the lead at 5.2%, while Bitcoin sits lower in rank. At this point, Bitcoin is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. Thanks for watching till the end. If this saved you time or gave you clarity, a like would mean a lot. Take it easy. See you next time.